Hey there, how's everybody doing? It's back here in the Frugal Fixer shop tonight. Well, I'm doing a sample test for the guitar back there on my bass. I'm trying to sample the color. So I took a piece of this stuff that I made all these pictures on the wall with, and I cut one out the size of my bass, and I started on it, and this is what I've accomplished so far. Let me get it back and make sure y'all can see the picture. I got a whole bunch of footage where I recorded doing this color, and well, it was sitting over on the end, and I had about that much of the guitar in the picture. None of this was in it, so it's kind of useless. So I just gave up on it. I'm not even going to try editing it. So here's what we got. I'm going to work on this just a little bit to brighten it up, just a tad. And I've got me a piece of steel wool, and I'm using the steel wool trick, as Derek calls it, to pull some of this color back off the top and kind of thin it and get it clear. And when I get that done, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put a little more color back in it. I'm just trying to blend. So the idea on this color was to put the light spot right in here, where this fretboard drops onto the keyboard, onto the body, and then let it go dark this way with a little bit of a burst maybe, and then up this way, do it like a fade up the neck. So we got a kind of a burst and a fade, and I guess that's what I'll call it anyway. But I want to brighten it up just a little bit, so we're gonna get us a fresh rag and a pair of gloves, and we're gonna hit it with a little bit of orange and yellow to bring it back around and get it to pop. Okay, so let's get us a fresh rag or two to work with. Now let's buff this thing off. Get the pieces off of it where I've been working. It's got some darkness around these pickups is where it looks the worst, and I'm sorry about that, but it's just happened. Okay guys, now here's what we got. We got the orange, and we got on the gold, and yellow. Okay, got some oranges. Yeah, we're gonna put a little color back in this thing, brighten it up. It's kind of looking like a peach right now, and I like that. So we're gonna bring it on out and bring the rest of the peach into it. So hey, hang in with me. If you haven't used any of these Angelus dyes, I'm gonna tell you they are unbelievably good. They work so well. You can just layer them in, and they work. I mean, you can build them up and get your color where you want it. Like right now, we're gonna throw some orange in here and try to get this to pop a little bit. Put some color back in the middle. And we're just going to keep working up the neck now, since we're already going that way. I'm going to throw a little bit more color in here. Try to bring it up the neck and get it spread. Okay. Need a little more. Need a little bit more to get that pop. There we go. There we go. Right here, I'm going to try to pull some color into this and get this to come over. Darn, I'm doing it again. Look at it. I got y'all off the camera where y'all can't see nothing I'm doing. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Let's pull some orange in here. Y'all see how that brightens up? Watch this. And we're just going to blend and pull this color right around the bottom right here. See it? Go through that. Now we've got one more little trick we're going to pull here. We're going to throw a little yellow just to get the real last pop on it. See what happens, okay? You ready? Now I got all that in there, but I'm going to pull some out right in here. Clean it up just a little bit. Ready? Okay, I buffed it out with a piece of steel wool to flatten it out and make all my blends look real good here for blending everything. And I'm really liking the way it looks. Might just be so much stain, but whoa, God, I thought I done broke something. Okay, what do you think? What you thinking, folks? Okay, in the comments, let me know what you think about it, because I kind of want to know, because I'm fixing to do the stain on this thing in the next 2 or 3 days. Got a few more cuts to make, but after that, we're going to stain. But hey, thank you for coming by. You see what you can accomplish with Angelus. You can either make something that looks like this, or worse or better, according to how good you can blend and finger paint. Yeah, I didn't put on a glove. That was a mistake. Yeah, it always is. Guys, take it easy. Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe if you hadn't done it, and ring that bell so you'll know when I'm going to do another one of these. And hey, come by anytime. I appreciate you. Remember this. God loves you, and so do I. You can't take it with you. So just take care of everybody else. That's what I suggest. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.